Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Cmichelle, and before we get started, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel and leave me a comment below on where you're watching from. And also please check me out on Instagram. My name is at Cmichellestyles. The link is going to be below in the description box. So what are we doing today? Today we are going to be reviewing the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Woohoo! Shout out to her and much success. This is awesome. This is it right here. I have not opened the box at all, so we're going to unbox it together and open the sides here. Okay. And then here it comes with 2 padded sheets. Oh. You guys are actually seeing it before me. And then there goes the palette. But the packaging is awesome because it's all of this was protecting it, which is dope. So this is the palette right here. I love how it reflects the color. It's beautiful and it's heavy also. All right, let me look inside the box. It has some little instructions in there, but this is it. Look how pretty that looks. All right. You guys, look at this. Hold on, wait. Okay, wait. Let me show you. Look. It's so gorgeous. And if you guys want to see the swatches of each color, go follow me on Instagram and check out my most recent stories, and then that's where the swatch colors will be. I really just want to get into the tutorial today and how this works. I mean, it's a beautiful palette, you guys. Absolutely stunning. I love the colors. It has a pretty mirror on the inside there. The mirror has a covering on it that I can slide off. I probably won't. And then right on top of the palette colors, you have this protector sheet also, which is really cool. So the palette also comes with a brush. So we'll be trying out that brush today also. Let's just get started. I think, let me put my base on. I'm going to use the NARS Concealer in Caramel. I'm just going to use a teeny bit of it. And I'm just going to use this mirror to create the look. Is there a color in here I can set it with? Not quite, and that's okay. I'm going to take just a translucent powder and set it. You guys, I haven't filmed a tutorial in God knows how long. Okay, so we're gonna start with ginger. Now let's see how these colors blend. So as I'm putting my brush on it, it's not flaking up too badly at all. And mind you, this is my first Anastasia anything I have ever purchased. I've never purchased anything from them. So this is exciting for me that my first purchase was to support someone. Okay, so the color payoff is nice. I'm looking for patchiness. I'm looking for how it applies, the application. I'm looking for texture. So application was nice and smooth, textures nice and smooth, and color payoff is good. So the color is actually showing up as it looks in the casing. All right, so you know what guys, I want to go a little bit deeper. So next we're going to take edges. Yes, honey, protect these edges. So edges is like a brick red color, I would say. Brick red's a little too bright. So this is like it's an orange red, but it's not too poppin'. But let's see how it is on the skin. Oh wow, that is super pigmented. I think I want to do more purple, so let's go with pinker. Pinker is like a really pretty cross between red and purple. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. Ooh, yes. Yes. I love this shade. And I typically do not care for purples. It's showing purple on me, but it is a beautiful shade. And you know what? Because I really, didn't I say I was gonna try their brush? Yes, yes, yes. Let's try her brush. Let's try her brush right now. So we have a shader side for the crease, which will be great for blending out and buffing out, making sure everything is blended smoothly and transitions well together. And then we have the lid shade, which is a flatter brush that you can just pack on the color with. All right, you guys, I'm going for the trust issues. Yes. I'm gonna flip it around to the clean side, blend pinker and trust issues together. And I'm just placing trust issues on the lid. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and come right back. So as you saw, this is the palette right here. I think it's beautiful, it's heavy. The packaging is great. It came well packaged. I love the colors. So it's 14 colors in here, and you'll see the shadows that I'm using in the tutorial. So I'll do little swatches of a couple because I did the full swatch review on my Instagram at Cmichellestyles. So make sure that you guys go and support me there and check out the swatches that I did. It's going to be in my stories. So we'll just do a swatch of, we did a swatch of trust issues. So let's do Soleil, which is the first one. Jeez, I mean, even from just doing my makeup, the colors are so pigmented. This is Soleil. Hopefully you guys can see that. I can't even tell. And, ooh, let's do Shookington. Okay, so that's Soleil first and Shookington right next to that. That is the purple color, and Shookington is right here. Oh, let's do Lituation, which is this color in the far corner here. All of these colors are just showing up so well with my skin. Let's do Big Wig. Big Wig. That is a matte color, absolutely no shimmer. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seem to have shimmer in them, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or a tad bit more flat. So Big Wig though, this purple, my goodness, that is a poppin' purple. I mean, it just really stands out. Okay, ooh, let's do Credit. Credit is going to be right next to Lituation, which is this reddish brown color. Yes. Gorgeous. That'll be a pretty contour color too. And then let's do one more and then I'm done. Let's do Wigglies. Whoa. Okay, so these colors, look at this one. This one is Wigglies. I mean, I haven't swatched a bad color yet. So a couple things about the eyeshadow palette. I ordered it on a Friday and I think it came on a Sunday or a Monday. So the turnaround was really quickly. I ordered it from AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. It was $45, but luckily I got a 15% off coupon because I've never ordered anything from Anastasia before. So I was able to use that and it brought the price down to about $35. But just be careful when you're checking out because they'll add like express 2-day shipping. I had to take that off. So if you want it quickly, just watch that at checkout because it's automatically put on there for you. It was wrapped beautifully as you see here. The packaging is great. It was fully padded. I, again, am obsessed with the packaging and how it looks. It's heavy. The iridescent color to it is fabulous. It's just a well thought out, well made palette through and through. The colors are great. I mean, I literally have no complaints. Let me see, any smell? No smell to it, really. I mean, it's just an all-around great palette, great purchase. So happy to support Jackie. You know, I think this is the first of its kind. I'm hoping it's not the first and only for her. I'm hoping that we can get more palettes and things like that. So I absolutely had to support. It was an honor to do so. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys like the look, and keep watching so you can see more. Oh, and if there's anything I forgot, please just leave it in the comments. You know, it's so much information to remember and try to share with you guys. So I'm hoping I covered everything, but if I did not, please let me know in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them there. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. What do you think? I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please tell me what color combinations you want me to do of this palette for future tutorials. And please share this video with someone you know and watch some more videos before you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and till next time, adios, besos.